Good day. This is just a short demo of our BellMe reporting software, which allows any industry to monitor their staff's response time on their computer. We're using a restaurant here as an example, but this can be used in any industry, such as hospitals and retirement homes, where it will be more beneficial. So you will see in front of us we have a basic floor plan consisting of just 8 tables, and waiter 1 covers table 1 to 4. And waiter 2 covers tables 5 to 8. You can change these settings for the waiter in your staff settings tab. So you'd first start off with adding some staff members to your team, and then you will go to timetable, and you can just select the table numbers that you want to assign to the different staff members. Okay, so when a call button comes in, you will see the color will change to green. When another call comes in, you will also see the service type, and the lights will just change to green for their first warning. The colors can be set in your base settings tab, as first warning has been set on green, and it will change to different colors after different amount of seconds or minutes that you want to add depending on your industry. So the first warning has been set to 1 minute, second warning is 3 minutes, and final warning is 5 minutes, and it changes from green to orange to red. You can go into your call status to get a review of your calls in the day. As you will see, the last 4 buttons that were pressed are right on top. They haven't been answered yet. And you will see the time ticking in the average time waiting for the cancel button to be pressed. You will see the date that the call came in. You will see the time the call came in, what zone it's coming from. You will also see what table number has requested assistance. You will see it starting to change to that green that we set after the first minute. And then if you leave it long enough, after 3 minutes or 5 minutes, you will see that this whole row will change color. As further down, you will see we've tested it out earlier on in the day, and we had one call that exceeded 5 minutes. And you will see that it said their final warning as the service state. So the average time will be recorded, giving you the estimated time that it took for the call to be answered. You'll also be able to see any unsettled calls during that day, just to see if any calls were unattended to. We'll just press the cancel button that'll be at their table, and you will see it slowly starting to disappear from your unsettled calls. And in your call status, it'll also show that it has been attended to. Okay, your floor plan can be changed in your layout tab. You're able to save transmitters as well in your save transmitter tab. And your history tab will give you just different reports from the beginning of time since you have installed your system. And your statistics as well will show you, also something on the history tab, you'll also be able to export to Excel, so you can get a full report, and it'll enable you to help search for your different tables on Excel, and you can maybe send it to a manager at the end of a month for any report that you need to attend to. Your statistics tab will give you different reports that you can look at. You have a daily pass rate, and you can check your pass rate of your tables. It'll give you the table number, how many times that table requested for assistance, and more importantly, how many times it reached the final warning stage, which is in your overtime column. And thus it'll give you the percentage of pass rate. So when a call does exceed the 5 minutes, it will affect your pass rate. So the higher the number is in the overtime column, the lower your percentage of pass rate is. And you'll then be able to see which staff member has managed those tables for that time period, and you can take necessary action if needed. So this is just a brief run through of how our system works. And so you'll see the floor plan, you will see your call status, so you can monitor your response time of your staff members and any unsettled calls. You just pressed another 2 buttons, you'll see the average time, you'll see the time coming in, And at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, you will also see the last call that came in, just to give you an example over there. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching.